This is a cool class because we're doing labs with really sensitive material and we're dealing with things that we might not get opportunity to deal with even as engineers. So the class is about comparing, contrasting, and essentially learning about different types of manufacturing processes. And we learn what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages of using certain kinds of parts. Just this Monday, I was pouring molten metal that was at 2000 degrees Celsius all by myself, all suited up. That was one in a lifetime experience. I think what Bucknell has in special for us is definitely the professors. Having Professor Sharma here at Bucknell is really giving it that extra push. Everything is made in a very intentional manner. So I think the need for material science and manufacturing is everywhere, and that's what makes it so cool.